Okay, good morning, my dear student, and namaste to all my parents who are watching to me. As usual, as our previous class, I am presented right now here in front of all my student. Okay, let's begin our topic. Today I am going to start the unit 4. We finished unit 1, 2, 3, and today I am going to start the unit 4, and today our topic lesson is the social problem and their solution. This unit, this lesson also consists about 5 marks in total. Its weight marks is 5, and for group A there is just 1 marks, and similarly in group B 4 marks. Altogether it consists about there's 5 marks. Let's start. Let's begin our class by this topic, by the lesson, our social problem and their solution. Okay. Before we start the lesson, we must have to know the concept of what is social problem. सामाजिक समस्याहरू भनेका के हुन् र त्यसका समाधानहरू के हुन सक्छन्. That is our topic today. Everybody know that we live in a society in an organized way. We live in a society in an organized way. Various activities are performed by us in the society on the basis of established norms, values, traditions, beliefs. हाम्रो समाजमा भएका norms, values, traditions र beliefs हरूको माध्यमबाट नै हामी समाजमा चाहिँ आफ्नो क्रियाकलापहरू सञ्चालन गर्छौं. In the course of development, okay, the society faces many more problems. Okay, many more hindrances are found there, difficulties are found there or prevalent in the society. For example, child labor. Okay, similarly there is the dowry system, there is the chhaupadi, there is this devki pratha or the custom, there is this jhuma custom, there is this women violations also, there are child marriage, conservative traditions are there. Okay, superstitions, orthodoxies are there, racial discrimination. Okay, similarly girls trafficking, yes or no, bullying. Bullying means mistreating, कसैलाई एकदम गिराएर, okay, verbal चाहिँ insulting. Such types of the work and activities are known as bullying. Not only this, there is the girls, women, as well as the human trafficking. म विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई समग्रमा यी कुराहरू एकैचोटी म रिसाइट गर्न चाहन्छु. Okay, and there is the corruption also, there is this untouchability. Okay, there is this gender discriminations. There are various social problems are prevalent in the society. The illegal act and activities that create the hindrance, that create the problems and the difficulties in our life, they are collectively known as the social problem. Due to such types of the social problems, people are compelled directly or indirectly in criminal motive act and activities. That is known as social evil. That is also known as the social malpractice too, my dear student. Like this, you must have to understand the concept about the lesson, that is social problem and their solutions. Okay, many more illegal act and activities that is prevalent, that is practices, they are emerged in the course of time. They create the problems in our life that directly affect in our norms, values and traditions. Such types of these problems which are emerged in the society, which are prevalent tangibly or intangibly, दृश्यात्मक रूपमा अथवा अदृश्यात्मक रूपमा विभिन्न घटनाहरू अहिले पनि मैले यहाँ पढाउँदै गरेको सन्दर्भमा अहिले पनि हाम्रो समाजमा थुप्रै अपराधिक गतिविधिहरू, सोशल प्रब्लमहरू घटिरहेका छन्. आइदर दे आर टेन्जिबल, केही घटनाहरू देख्न सकिने खालका हुन्छन् भने केही नदेख्न सकिने खालका हुन्छन्. Such types of the problem are known as, they are known as, my dear student, the social problem. That is also known as the सामाजिक समस्या. There are many more social problem that is prevalent in our society. they are, yes, we also know obviously that is the dowry system, there is the chhaupadi, there is the jhuma, there is the devki. Similarly, there is a what, corruption. This is the most blunder problem in the Nepalese society right now. There is this bullying also. Bullying means the insulting, or you can say mistreating with other people. Okay. Similarly, there is this gender discrimination, there is the conservative norms and values, date expire culture are prevalent in their society. Similarly, there is the racial discrimination, child marriage, girls trafficking, human trafficking, human organs trafficking, child labor. All these are collectively known as the social problem. Okay, my dear student, now listen me. After getting all such a idea about the social problem, how maybe this question is asked. Actually, my dear student, you must have to consider that while learning the lesson and getting this what, the main theme of that lesson, the questions are asked basically with this, what kinds of the social problems currently happening in this Nepalese society. Everybody know that there is one case, still it has not been solved. There is the curiosity in the mind and the heart of every individual, the case of Nirmala Panta. Why I am saying all these things, my dear student, to make you the conscious how the question is asked. त पढिसकेको लेसन या पाठबाट त्यससँग रिलेटेड हाम्रो समाजमा, हाम्रो देशमा के कस्ता घटनाहरू घटेका छन् त्यससँग सम्बन्धित भएर करेन्ट कुराहरू, करेन्ट अफेयर्सहरू, स्पेशली सोशल स्टडीमा प्रश्नहरू सोधिन्छ. That you must have to consider in your mind, there is no doubt. This is the fact. Now listen to me, how the question is asked to you in examination by learning all about the social problem. Either such types of the problem is currently happening in our society or not. Of course, yes. Many more, yes, tangible as well as the intangible incidents, problems, crimes, evils were occurring most frequently, there is no doubt. Okay, how the question is asked. Now listen me carefully. What should be the role? Okay, what should be the role of different levels of government and people to avoid the recurrence, घरी घरी घट्ने घटनाहरू जुन नेपाली समाजमा सामाजिक समस्यासँग सम्बन्धित विभिन्न घटनाहरू घटिरहेका छन्. Right now in front of you I recited that such types of these problems or evils or incident that is occur tangibly or you can say intangibly. यस्ता घटनाहरू कुनै दृश्यात्मक हुन्छन्, देख्न सकिने खालका हुन्छन् भने कतिपयहरू हिडन हुन्छन्, लुकेका हुन्छन्. लुकी छिपी त्यस्ता घटनाहरू घटाइएका हुन्छन्, घटिरहेका हुन्छन् र अहिले पनि त्यो घटिरहेको छ. केही देख्न सकिने खालका हुन्छन्, केही देख्न नसकिने खालका हुन्छन्. So my dear student, listen me carefully. What should be the role of different levels of government and people to avoid the recurrence, घरी घरी घट्ने यस्ता घटनाहरू of crime against the women and girls like, listen me, like the Nirmala rape and its murder case in the future. Nirmala rape र murder case अब हाम्रो फ्युचरमा हुन नदिनका लागि विभिन्न चाहिँ तह, तबका र सरकार र हामी जनताहरूले कस्तो भूमिकाहरू निर्वाह गर्नुपर्छ आउने दिनहरूमा ताकि यस्ता निर्मला पन्तसँग सम्बन्धित केसहरू, घटनाहरू नघटुन्. Like this, my dear student, the questions are asked in this examination. Listen me carefully. Once again the question is like this. Such types of the question are very, very important for you all. Okay, once again the questions goes like this. What should be is the role of different levels of government and people to avoid the recurrence, घरी घरी घट्ने घटना, like कसरी हटाउने, okay, of crime against the women and girls like yes Nirmala rape and murder case in future. Write in a 4 points like this, my dear student. The questions are asked after learning the unit and this lesson. The what should be done in coming days to avoid such types of the intolerable criminal motive act and activities from our society, from our nation. You must have to create the answer if such types of the questions are asked in your examination like this. First measures, what should be done in coming days to avoid such types of this criminal motive work and these activities. First, government and non-government organization, stakeholders, civil society, concerned authority, okay, should work actively and efficiently against it. यस्ता किसिमका आपराधिक घटनाहरूलाई एभोइड गर्नका लागि to overthrow from this root level the government, non-government organization, stakeholders, सरोकारवालाहरू, civil society, नागरिक समाजहरू, concerned authority, सम्बन्धित निकायहरू, okay, should work actively. हामीहरू सबै मिलेर है एक्टिभली यस्ता किसिमका घटनाहरूलाई हटाउनका लागि हामी चाहिँ हातमा हात काँधमा काँध मिलाएर अघि बढ्न जरुरी छ. Like this, my dear student, you have to create the answer in your examination. And they must not fear concerned authority, stakeholders, civil society must not fear, or you can say quiver, काम्नु हुँदैन, डराउनु हुँदैन, quiver in front of any power and temptation. कसैको प्रलोभन, कसैको धम्की, कसैको त्रास सँग हामी डराउनु हुँदैन. हामी मिलेर यस्ता किसिमका वर्क एन्ड एक्टिभिटिजको अगेन्स्टमा एकबद्ध भएर अगाडि बढ्नुपर्छ. Then only we can solve such types of the problems in coming days. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer to make your answer the weighty, fabulous and excellent. Like this, my dear student, you must have to go ahead to create the answer if such types of the questions are asked in your examinations. And similarly, second idea, how to create the answer. The suffering women or the girls, whoever they is victims from such types of the criminal motive act and activities, the suffering women and girls should be rescued and rehabilitated. यस्ता पीडितहरूलाई के गर्नुपर्छ त भन्दाखेरि उद्धार गर्ने, रिहेबिलिटेट भनेको पुनरुत्थान गर्ने क्रियाकलापमा एकजुट भएर हामीहरू लाग्नुपर्छ to avoid such types of these work and activities which are most frequently happened in our society. In this way, my dear student, you must have to create the answer if such types of the questions are asked in these examinations. Similarly, next idea, next creation, okay, the security and police force, they have this more responsibility. जसलाई हामी देश र जनताको रक्षक भन्छौं र कतिपय यस्ता घटनाक्रमहरुमा सबै त होइन तर त्यही केहीले नै राम्राहरूलाई पनि बदनाम बनाउने कामहरु भइरहेको छ. Especially in a police society, the security and the police force should not influence or dance. सुरक्षाकर्मी होनहार चाहिँ के police force must not dance in front of any power or government. In such types of these cases, the security and the police force should not influence or dance in their signal or gesture. Gesture means isara of government or the hidden power. लुकेका त्यस्ता पावरहरू जसले यस्ता घटनाहरू घटाइरहेका छन् या घटिरहेको छ त्यस्ता तत्त्वहरूबाट सेक्युरिटी फोर्स, पुलिस फोर्स हिचकिचाउनु हुँदैन. प्रलोभनमा चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि टेम्पटेसनमा पर्नु हुँदैन. Then only we can solve such types of this problem, or we can stop such types of this criminal motive act and activities. That is the social problem in the coming days, in coming future. Like this, my dear student, you must have to create the answer. Whatever we are learning in our textbook, in our lesson, in our unit, and according to that unit, according to that lesson, either such types of the incident are occurring in this Nepalese society or not. Yes, such types of the questions are important for this examination. You must have to understand this logic that while learning any unit or the lesson, either the incident related that unit, either the incident that is related with this that topic or the lesson is occurring in the Nepalese society, in Nepalese community or not. If yes, then such types of the incidents are very, very important for examination point of view, especially in social study. Social study means the scientific study about the society, logical study about the society, so that after learning the lesson or this unit, either such types of this incident or this activities are occurring in the Nepalese society or inside the nation or not. Yes, such types of this current affairs, current incidents related with this unit, related with this that topic or these lessons are very, very important. So now we are learning about the social problem, and by learning social problem, either such types of the incidents are occurring in the Nepalese society, Nepalese community, in Nepalese politics or not. Such types of this current affairs are very, very important for examination point of view. So that to give you this idea, here is one questions, that is, what should be the role of different levels of this government and people to avoid this reoccurrence of this criminal or the crime is activities against the women and the girls like this Nirmala Panta or Nirmala, and rape or this murder. Okay, and what measures should be done to stop such types of this incident in coming days, in this future, like this, my dear student. I am right now reciting for my dear student, okay, not for the other any else or this topic. Now listen to me here. Now next, the suffering women and the girls should be rescued and rehabilitated. Such types of the work and activities should be done in these coming days. Similarly, community, guardians, family, okay, there is our responsibility also. Okay, community, guardians, family members and children, they themselves must be alert. They must be allowed by these new faces, okay, from own cousins, from own relatives, आफ्नै काका, आफ्नै मामा, नातेदारले प्रलोभनमा पारेर यस्ता हाम्रा चेलीहरूलाई बेचबिखन गर्ने या उनीहरूमाथि चाहिँ अनैतिक गतिविधिहरू चाहिँ गर्ने केसहरू थुप्रै सुनिएको छ. सो द्याट फ्यामिली, कम्युनिटी, okay, or these children, they themselves should be alert by this what, own cousins or the relatives or these new faces in the village area. If such types of the measures should be done in the coming days, obviously such types of the problem can be minimized. Security force, police force must not be dance or influence in front of any power or the politics. They must have to complete their authority. They must have to save the innocent people. Okay. Similarly, government, non-government organization, stakeholders, civil society, concerned authority must have to work actively, jointly, efficiently. And while working time, many up and downs may come, but they must not fear or they must not quiver. आफ्नो असल काम गर्दाखेरि खुट्टा कमाउनु हुँदैन. They must not fear. If such types of the work and activities, if it has been done in coming days, then obviously such types of the social problem can be eradicated, can be minimized, can be controlled in coming days. Like this, my lovable dear student, you must have to create the answer in your examination. Okay, and I would like to go in the topic girls, women or this human trafficking. Okay, बाल बालिका, महिला तथा मानव बेचबिखन. Now this topic, okay, the illegal work and activities that has been done by these brokers. Brokers means dalal. What a name, dalal. Okay, the illegal work and activities that has been done by these brokers, and they compel to this our innocent Nepalese sisters women and girls by giving this temptation, and they are shell in this brothel to live a life as a prostitute. Prostitute लाई नेपालीमा बेश्या भनिन्छ. Take it positively to make you understand. I am reciting in Nepali, okay? The illegal work and activities, or you can say buying and selling these innocent girls in terms of money, especially in this brothel, beshyalay, to compel to make them as prostitute. That is known as the girls trafficking, or you can say the women trafficking. This is this very serious problem that has been occurred in this Nepalese society. Everybody know that there is the open border. We don't need this visa to cross the India, and there is no required of this visa for this Indians to enter in our Nepal. The such types of the incident are very easily occurring, especially in this Nepal, okay? The right now I am recited that what is girls trafficking, or what is this human trafficking, or what is this women trafficking, okay? The illegal act and activities of buying and selling the innocent girls or these women, especially they are selling this brothel, okay, and compelled to live as is prostitute life, and they are involved in this prostitution. That is known as this girls trafficking. In another word, it is also known as flesh trade. It is also known as what? The flesh trade, okay, my dear student. To make you understand that, especially such types of the innocent girls, or you can say innocent as women's, especially from Nepal, are sold from this Dhading district, okay? It is not given in the book, so that take the idea with me. Dhading, okay, Rasua, okay, similarly as Kabre Palanchok, Acham, not Assam, okay? Acham lies in Nepal, Assam lies in India. The Acham, Nuwakot, Pyuthan, Makwanpur, such types of the districts, mostly our innocent girls or the women are sold in this brothel, especially in this India. Not only in this India, the most populated prostitute, yes, there is no doubt in this India, more than 3 lakhs such types of the innocent women recently, okay? In old book there is mention about the 1 lakh or 2 lakh, but recently it has been estimated about this 3 lakh such innocent girls and women were working as a prostitute in this brothel, as a prostitution, okay? That this is very shameful incident for us while listening all these things, my dear student. Not only India, Saudi Arabia, okay, and Malaysia and Hong Kong. Listen me here. Hong Kong, okay, Russia, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates means UAE, okay, Russia also, and some in African nations. Our girls, our innocent girls and women are what? The sold already. And now the China. And now China is also becoming this emerging hub. Hub means HUB. Hub means mukhya for these girls and the women's trafficking from the land of Nepal. The illegal buying and selling the innocent girls, and they are compelled to live as a prostitute in this brothel. That is known as the girls trafficking. That is known as this women trafficking, or you can say samagrama bhandaichu as a whole, that is also known as the human trafficking. So after learning all such types of the things, we must have to concentrate. You all, my dear student, must have to take the idea what kinds of the question may be asked in the examination, and and how we must have to create the answer. Yes or no? Of course yes. The more than 5,000 girls and women are being trafficked, okay? यहाँ के भनिएको छ त भन्दाखेरि वर्षेनी प्रत्येक वर्ष नेपालबाट 5,000 है हाम्रा नेपाली चेलीहरू महिलाहरू being trafficked from the Nepal annually. त व्हाट डु यु थिंक आर द रिजन्स बिहाइन्ड इट, यस्तो खालको घटनाहरू घट्नुको पछाडिका कारणहरू के हुन् त. Okay, give suitable reasons, okay, and its solution in each 4 points. Means that from Nepal, why the girls trafficking are most occurring, what are the reasons behind it, and what we must have to do to control as well as to prevent such types of the social problem in coming days. Like this, my dear student, the questions may ask to you in examination. Okay. So now listen to me here. There are so many reasons, there are so many problems in the Nepalese society, from as well as from this government level also, as well as from our traditions, values, norms are also the responsible factors to occur such types of this incident from this Nepal and this from the Nepalese society. The first, okay, how to create the answer and why such types of these incidents are occurring, especially in this Nepalese society. Now first, most of the girls and the women in the Nepal is still most of the girls and women, there is no doubt, still Nepalese girls and women, they are deprived from this education, okay, in comparison to these men, which causes them to be these victims. Okay, the innocent girls directly or indirectly tempted by these brokers, दलालहरूको चाहिँ सपनाहरूमा कुराहरूमा उनीहरू छिटै चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि लोभिन्छन् या प्रभावित हुन्छन् र उनीहरू चाहिँ के त उनीहरूको शिकार बन्न पुग्छन् due to the lack of this education, due to this what illiteracy. This is the cause factor, my dear student. Like this, you must have to clear the answer if such types of the questions if asked in these examinations. And similarly, the innocent girls and the women easily believe in these brokers and traffickers, त्यस्ता दलालहरू बेचबिखनमा संलग्न भएका जसले यसलाई नै पेशा बनाएका छन् उनीहरूप्रति चाहिँ छिटो विश्वास उनीहरू गर्छन् है, किनभने उनीहरूले थुप्रै प्रलोभनहरू देखाएका हुन्छन्. म तिमीलाई फ्याक्ट्रीको चाहिँ म्यानेजर बनाइदिन्छु, म तिमीलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि फिल्मको चाहिँ एक्ट्रेस बनाइदिन्छु हैन, म ठुला चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि 5 स्टार 7 स्टार होटल्सहरूमा तिमीलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि म्यानेजर बनाइदिन्छु, त्यहाँको सेलेरीहरू चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ हैन, तिमीले आफ्नो जीवनलाई सुखमय तरिकाले बिताउन सक्छौ. यस्ता खालका र अन्य चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि प्रलोभनहरू, ल्यापटपहरू, एक्सपेन्सिभ मोबाइलहरू हैन, टबहरू दिने, ओके, यस्ता किसिमका चाहिँ प्रलोभनहरूमा हाम्रा नेपाली चाहिँ चेलीहरू छिटो चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि फस्न पुग्छन् र उनीहरू चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बेचिन्छन्. दिज आर दिस कज फ्याक्टर. ओके, very easy, not so hard. The innocent girls and the women easily believe in these brokers and traffickers. Girls get married, okay, र चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि border cross गर्ने क्रममा सजिलो उपाय भनेको चाहिँ ब्रोकर्सले म तिमीलाई विवाह गर्छु भने नक्कली विवाह गर्छ र चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि गर्ल्सहरूलाई चाहिँ के त भन्दाखेरि बिट्रेड, मलाई धोका भएको छ भन्ने कुरा उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ थाहा हुँदैन र जब उनीहरू चाहिँ ब्रोथेलमा बेचिसकेका हुन्छन् अनि बल्ल उनीहरूलाई रियलाइज हुन्छ कि म बेचिएकी छु. These are the cause factor that most of the Nepalese girls and the women are sold in these brothels, okay, and their life is very pathetic and their life is very miserable and very painful. Okay, they have to survive these many more clients in the day to pacify their thirst of sex. These are these problems. And beside working in the field or doing this animal husbandry, there are no other job opportunity in the village area, okay. So that the income whatever they gain from this agriculture, that is not enough, okay, to feed themselves for a whole year. That is also this problem, and so they fall in this trap of the brokers and they are selling these brothels. Not only this, there is this open border. So these are these cause factors. These are what the cause factors, especially our innocent girls are sold in these brothels. Now what measures should be done in these coming days to stop, or we can say to minimize or to control this girls trafficking and this our innocent women? Now first, increase the employment opportunity, job oriented vocational as well as this practical educations, trainings, facilities must be provided, especially by focusing this rural areas girls and women's and suitable as package should be as determined from the side of this government and the concerned authority, as well as that is the responsibility of different international organizations who are working to control such types of the social problems. Okay, they must not limit on the periphery of the city area only, they must have to go in the rural areas, okay, to stop such types of the social problem. Second, investment should be done in the agriculture as well as in the tourism sectors, and reservation must be given to this women and girls according to their ability, according to their experience and the education, to control such types of this problem in coming days. Okay, and third, public awareness should be created must in the affected area, must frequently, घरी घरी यस्तो affected area हरुमा चाहिँ गएर चाहिँ जनचेतनामूलक कार्यक्रमहरु गर्ने र गराउने कामहरु गर्न जरुरी छ to stop such types of this blunder problem from this Nepalese society. And similarly, the criminals or this criminals हरु भए culprit हरु भए दोषीहरु, okay, who are involved in such as illegal act should be punished severely and or is imprisoned for this life. उनीहरुलाई आजीवन कारावासहरु र चाहिँ के कडा भन्दा कडा कारबाहीहरुको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि गर्नु पर्दछ. either they are involved in any politics, in any power. Okay, if such types of the work and activities, if it has been done practically, then obviously such types of the problem may be control, or you can say minimize in this coming days. There is no doubt. And similarly, now I would like to give this homework to my student. You must have to create. There is the book also. There is the net also at the home. Okay. Okay. Now listen to me here. After learning all these things, how the other questions may be asked to you in examinations. Okay. Give short biography and this contribution of Nepalese pioneers. Give short biography and this introduction of the Nepalese pioneers of the Nepal in the sectors of girls trafficking. गर्ल्स ट्राफिकिङ, वुमेन्स ट्राफिकिङको क्षेत्रमा आफ्नो जीवन अर्पण गरेका कुनै त्यस्ता दुईटा व्यक्तित्व जसले यो क्षेत्रमा चाहिँ कि आउटस्ट्यान्डिङ कामहरु गर्नु भएको छ, उनीहरुको चाहिँ बायोग्राफी र उहाँहरुले गर्नु भएका चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि कन्ट्रिब्युसनहरु, योगदानको बारेमा लेख्नुहोस् भनेर पनि क्वेशन चाहिँ के भन्दा सोधेको अवस्था छ. लाइक दिस द क्वेशन इज आस्क्ड. त टेक द आइडिया विथ मी. यू क्यान राइट देयर इज टू respectful individual, others are also, okay, but here is saying that only two. Okay, so that now listen me here, the two respected individuals, they are actively working, they are spending their life to serve such types of these victims or trafficked girls or children's. We can give the biography and the contribution about this Anuradha Koirala, okay, or you can give this biography and the contribution about this Pushpa Basnet. Then now listen to me here. Anuradha Koirala is already awarded by the CNN hero in 2010, and our Pushpa Basnet is also awarded by the CNN hero in 2012. So you can search the biography in Google, in net, or in the book, okay, and you can write. Okay, some responsibility depend upon these children also. Okay, so I am giving the questions to you to do at the home, or search in the net, or you can say evaluate in these different books. That is Anuradha Koirala and this Pushpa Basnet. And similarly mention this contribution in the points done by any two social organization, okay, to prevent the girls and the women trafficking or the human trafficking. There are so many organizations, international organizations, domestic organizations are there. They are actively working in the sectors of this social problem like the girls trafficking and the women trafficking. The question is like this: mention this contribution in the points done by any two social organizations to prevent this girls and the women trafficking. You can write about the ATWIN, AATWIN, Alliance Against the Trafficking of Girls and Alliance Against the Trafficking of Women and Girls in Nepal, ATWIN. Okay. And you can write about the SWIN also, CWIN. Okay, they are these two organizations. SWIN means child work in Nepal. Okay, then now your responsibility is that you must have to search, you must have to find out, and you must have to try to complete the question at this home. Okay, okay, my dear student, this much for today, and again tomorrow I will come in the same time. And thank you for watching me, and have a nice day. Thank you very much.